everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have sleepy sidekicks. Only one is joining me today, and he is very sleepy. That's Wyatt. Xena also sometimes is with me, but she has decided to skip today and take a nap elsewhere. We sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe, and hang out for the long haul. Today I am back with a tiered tray decor box that I can't wait to get into and share with you. Tiered Tray Decor Box is a monthly subscription, and it is all about designer approved decor to your door. And it comes in themes, and it's meant for you to be able to just add a little freshen up of decor. You could do it in a tray, so a tiered tray, or you could do it on a mantle, or you could do it anywhere in your home to just give it like a little bit of a spruce up each month. Let's dig in. $50 a month is the cost of this particular subscription, and the themes are quite fun. Last month I shared June's, and it was, I believe I shared June's. It was a strawberry theme, and I'll put that link up above in case you would like to check it out because it was so fun, like total summer vibes. Loved it. All right, this one I can smell it. Has a coffee theme to it. Let's do this. All right, so the first thing I see, it says coffee is my happiness. How cute is that? How cute is that? And you can hang it on the wall, or it looks like it's thick enough that you could just stand it up. You can see it has that little hook, but it smells like coffee in this box. I like that. Coffee is my happiness. It's a neutral tone, so it should go with any decor. Love that. That's the first item. I'm wondering if this is what smells like. This is what smells like coffee. The perfect blend, it says. The perfect blend. And this is, whoops. Yeah, I think this is stitched shut. This is so cute. I love it. And it just gives that fresh coffee smell. I love it. Adorable. The perfect blend. All right, what else have we got? Cheers, y'all. That's adorable. Okay. Oh, this is cute. Another little coffee cup. This one says coffee with a little heart. Again, this is thick enough, you just stand it right up. Love these neutral tones, coffee tones. Then we got some foliage. Love that. Some greenery, love it. Okay, we got lots of stuff to decorate with here. What else? Okay, now we have, it's the Hearthside collection. And oh, it's got little paper clips on either side. I love that. And it says, spells out coffee. And each subscription box does come with a complimentary QR code that provides subscribers with style advice for that particular box. If you're not sure how to design with it, you will get style tips and advice. How cute is that? That's so cute. Love the little paper clips so you can hook it on. All right. One more thing. Let's see what this is. And then we're going to decorate. I do have a discount code for you, of course. If you'd like to get this subscription and you use the code HAPPY10, you will get 10% off. I love it. So for anyone who wants to just, you know, give a little freshen up each month, This is the way to go. All right. And this is a little mug. I love all the earthy tones. This would like work well any season. So it carries you from season to season. And then you could take it into Halloweeny vibes or Christmas vibes. Also, if you wanted to keep this out all the time. Love it. All right, let's decorate my tray. All right, are you ready to see how I decorated my tray? It's all done. Okay. This is one of my trays I just picked up. So here we go. How awesome is this? I love it. So I think the foliage adds a little bit of color here. I love the coffee is my happiness, the mug, and then the coffee just dangled perfectly here by using the little clippies. And then I have my nice smelling coffee. This smells so good. I got to have this little dangle, and then my coffee mug. How does this look? I think it came out so nicely. Hopefully you guys can see everything. I love this little nice touch here with the coffee potpourri, we'll call it. Just smells so good. I love it. What do you guys think? You could easily just put this on a mantle, a shelf, decorate a corner in your kitchen. So adorable. I love it. All right, so that is the August box. So if you want it, I think you need to sign up pretty quickly in order to get these specific themes. Once they are gone, they are gone. I will put my link down below in case you would like to give this subscription a try. Happy 10 for 10% off. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And thanks so much for hanging out with me today. This was fun. Hit that like, hit that subscribe before you go so I can keep on doing this. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.